Hello everyone! Did you know that horses are considered the most enduring runners in the animal kingdom? Unsurprisingly, Americans have even coined a particular unit of measure to praise their speed: horsepower. Join us as we explore fascinating facts about horses and uncover unique secrets that help people earn billions of dollars from them. For thousands of years, horses have not only symbolized strength and freedom, but have also been the sophisticated and intelligent companions of humans. According to a 2010 study, a horse's intelligence is comparable to an elephant's, and their memory surpasses anything humans can imagine. They can even remember human faces after long periods of separation, up to 10 years or more. If you treat a horse well, it will recognize you as a lifelong friend, ready to accompany you on long journeys. Historically, horses have been reliable partners, helping humans explore the world, conquer new territories, and overcome challenges together. Across the vast prairies of America, where some 9.2 million horses are raised, with the most prominent centers in Texas, California, and Florida, the horse breeding industry is thriving. Each year, this sector contributes up to $40 billion to the national economy, not only through dramatic horse races, but also via other activities like tourism and trade. Moreover, these expansive lands hold a proud wild heritage: the wild horses. An estimated 42,000 wild horses, making up about 50% of the country's wild horse population, are primarily concentrated in Nevada, where they roam freely across hilltops and valleys. If you're impressed by the strength and beauty of these horses, remember to hit like. As dawn gently breaks over the majestic mountains of Nevada, the Mustang horses stroll across the prairies, freely grazing on tender grass under the vast sky. With refined husbandry techniques, ranch owners opt for natural grazing to enhance the health and robustness of their herds. Additionally, basic veterinary practices are meticulously applied, from routine vaccinations to addressing urgent health issues, ensuring the safety and well-being of these cherished creatures. Let me share a thrilling fact about the world of wild horses. They typically live in herds ranging from 5 to 19 individuals, primarily mares, with only a few stallions. Therefore, when the breeding season arrives, the atmosphere within the herd becomes tense and heated. Their area suddenly turns into a stage full of drama, where stallions fiercely compete and struggle to win love and assert dominance. Such intense confrontations often end with powerful kicks, sometimes resulting in heartbreaking consequences. The victorious stallion not only earns the right to mate with multiple mares, but also demonstrates his dominance over the entire herd. Join me as we travel back to the 17th century, when horses were once reliable officers, contributing to regional security. Today, although modern vehicles have taken over many of their roles, horses still play a vital part in entertainment, especially horse racing. This activity generates $11 billion annually and continues to expand into a hugely profitable industry, widely popular not just in the US, but also around the world. Are you ready to explore a unique culinary experience with horse meat? Let the delicious and distinct flavor of horse meat delight your taste buds. Under the twinkling lights of the kitchen, the horse meat steak is strikingly presented on the plate, resembling an enchanting work of art. The meat is grilled to perfection, crispy on the outside and tender and sweet on the inside, with a bold aroma of pepper and garlic. Each slice is an irresistible invitation, as the rich flavors of the meat blend with the fragrance of butter and herbs, delighting the senses. This dish is not just a meal, but a culinary experience that evokes emotions, awakens all senses, and leaves a memorable aftertaste for the diner. Remember to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you find this dish appealing. To create such appealing dishes, the horses undergo a professional and meticulously detailed slaughter process in modern meat processing facilities. They are brought into a calm environment and are anesthetized using stun guns or electric shocks, ensuring humane treatment and minimizing stress for the animals. The meat preparation begins with careful skinning and quick butchering to ensure hygiene and reduce contamination. Finally, the meat is meticulously sorted according to various quality standards to meet the highest product requirements. Each piece of meat is then cut and sliced per specific requirements before being carefully packaged in a sterile environment. Every step strictly adheres to food safety and hygiene standards, ensuring that the final product is not only fresh, but also completely safe for consumption. In the global culinary dance, horse meat has secured an indispensable position on the dining tables of many countries, particularly in France, where people not only savor each delicious morsel of the meat, but also indulge in the unique flavors of horse brain and heart. This type of meat has sustained humanity for generations, from the earliest days of history to challenging times during wars, thanks to its rich nutritional value. Today, horse meat remains a sought-after choice for its distinctive flavor that stands out uniquely. Stories of American farmers earning billions of dollars from horse farms and horse meat processing plants are a testament to the limitless potential of the horse breeding industry in the U.S. This is not just a journey of personal wealth, but also a significant contribution to the prosperity of the country and the community. They inspire the entrepreneurial spirit, affirming that any challenge can be overcome with effort and perseverance, and any dream can become a reality. Thank you for joining us to explore how American farmers make billions of dollars from horse farms. Continue to follow our channel for more stories and achievements in the field of agriculture around the world.